How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Well, finally I got the One UI 3.1 update on my Galaxy S20. The update size was around 1.2 GB in size, and as per the changelog, there has been a lot of improvements and we also have some new features added in this update. With that being said, in this video, let's check out all the new features of One UI 3.1. Guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing first, we have some new features added in the camera department. If you want to remove any unwanted object from the picture that you have taken, all you have to do is just select edit, and if you tap on these three dots, you will find a new option called labs. Just go inside and enable this feature called object eraser. Once you have done all this, now whenever you edit any picture, you will have this brand new tool called object eraser, which easily removes any unwanted object from your picture. Just select the object that you don't want in the picture and then select erase. I am glad that Samsung has added this very useful feature. Now you don't have to use any third-party applications just to remove unnecessary objects from your photos. In single take mode, you now get the option to decide what kind of pictures and videos should be created and processed. For example, if I don't want portrait shots to be captured in single take mode, then I can easily disable that and save some processing time as well. Other than this, they have renamed the live focus mode and now it is called as portrait. And also the live focus video is now changed as portrait video, which is similar to what we see in other Android devices. The next thing that I want to share is a very small change, but I think it's super useful. So in video mode, now you can change the frame rate and the resolution directly from the camera interface itself without going into the settings. It definitely saves your time. Moving on, we have this brand new feature called iComfort Shield, which is kind of a replacement to the blue light filter that we had in One UI 3.0. To enable this, all you need to do is go to settings, display. Here you will see a new option called iComfort Shield. Just turn it on. You can select either adaptive or custom. If you choose adaptive, it automatically adjusts your screen colors based on the time of day. You will see minor adjustment during the day and warm colors at night. Custom lets you to set a schedule for when you want to apply the filter. Overall, it's just like the advanced version of blue light filter. Another new feature that I want to talk about is if you want to change the color of your folder, now you get the option to choose from the entire spectrum, which means you can select the color, change the saturation level, and even adjust the opacity as well. Basically, it allows you to create a color of your choice. So that's all the new features that has been added in One UI 3.1. I really miss the director's view, which was one of my favorite camera feature that was present in Galaxy S21, and also I'm unable to find the option to add Google Discover instead of Samsung Free. So these are the two main features that is missing from One UI 3.1. I hope Samsung will include them in the upcoming updates. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some new features of One UI 3.1. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.